All right, boys and girls, we are working on multiplying fractions. We know that when we add and subtract a fraction, we have to find a common denominator. So let's see what we get to do with multiplying fractions. Myra collects stamps. She has 20 stamps in her collection. 4/5 of her stamps have been canceled. How many of the stamps of Myra's collection has been canceled? Well, first of all, I look at 4/5 of. When I hear 4/5 of, I know I'm going to multiply. So we need to find 4/5 of 20. So you would put 20 counters on your math board. So if we have 20 counters, since you want to find 4/5 of the stamps, you will arrange the counters in how many equal groups? Well, our denominator tells us how many equal groups. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or I could have asked myself, 5 times what gets me to 20? Because I would know that would go in each equal group. So this is where your division comes into play too. Draw the counters in each group. How many counters are in each group? 4. Okay, each group represents blank of the stamps. Well, it represents 4/5 of the stamps. Circle 4/5 of the counters. Okay, now here's where it gets a little confusing, because how many groups are we going to circle? Well, we have 5 groups, but we only need our numerator, so we're only going to circle 4 of those groups. How many groups did you circle? I only circled 4. How many counters did you circle? 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. 4/5 of 20 equals 16, or 4/5 of 20 equals 16 times 20. I'm sorry. So how many counters do we have? 16. So that's our first bout with multiplying fractions. All right, let's go on and let's do some more just hands-on. It says here, Mac's stamp collection has stamps from different countries. He has 12 stamps from Canada. Of those 12, 2/3 of them have pictures of Queen Elizabeth. How many stamps have Queen Elizabeth on them? Draw an array to represent the 12 stamps by drawing an X for each stamp. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now how many equal groups do I have to put those in? 3. And I put them in 3 equal groups without even thinking. I should have looked at my fraction first. So your array shows that you have 3 rows of equal groups of X. 1, 2, 3. Circle blank of those rows. Well, my numerator tells me how many equal groups to circle. So I'm going to circle 2 equal groups of those. There are blank X's in each square. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 is 8, or 2/3 times 12 is 8. Okay, I hope you understand what you're doing there. I would like you to do this one and then come back on and see if you have the answer correct. Okay, if you look at it, I made my 4 equal groups because I'm doing 3/4 of 16, or 3/4 times 16. So I had to make 4 equal groups, and then I know that I need 3 of those groups, so I have 12. Okay, I hope that went well. All right, we are doing these. Complete the model to show. So I would like you to do that. Then I would like you to do 3 and 4 with your partner. Let's do 6 with our partner. Once we've got those figured out, we will skip this one for now. Here we will do all the evens and our same old story, 1 or 2, and all of the rest. If you have time, please go back and do the application. All right, let's rock multiplying fractions.